that? Cool view though. Hey, get on your phone! Was that Santa? Oh my gosh, I saw Santa. Alright, I'm gonna give her a little bit of a warm-up stretch. And then try out road mode for the first time. Also, I haven't ridden in like a week, so gotta get my body adapted. Get that throttle warmed up. Oh! I need more cowbell. Oh man, it stinks! Dang! Fresh manure. No cars behind me. It's like it lunges forward when I downshift. How to prevent that? Or that's just like part of it before you get a tune. It's better. It's way better. Do the usual lap. Since I'm familiar with it. Road mode when I get up there. Warm these tires. That was smooth. That one kind of blurb. That one wasn't too bad. Was that Santa? Oh my gosh, I saw Santa. Alright, I'll find a place to pull over up here. Switch this guy into road mode. No more Reno. It just did it! Freaking lunged forward. That was good. Weird. Go into Rider 1, nope. Going up. Rain. Road. Woo. There we go. Quickshifter's on. Let's see what she's like. Already more touchy. Not too bad though. Yeah, I can already tell. It's got way more power. Okay, yep. A lot more. I'm gonna have to learn this whole new mode first before I go crazy. Fifth gear pull. Oh yeah, I can feel that rear want to slip. It's not bad. Huge difference. RPMs go up way more. Be patient with me, guys. First time on road mode, so I'm gonna be a little bit boring. Just want to be smart about it. Can't open her up yet. Not until I understand what my power band's like. That is so weird. Why does it do that? It's got to be what the guys say. Once you get a tune, that Quickshifter gets a lot more buttery. I always get stuck on my cars and get bugged like crazy. It's not ruining the lens on my Pro right now. Oh, she chirped. That traction control kicked in. That was weird. That's so weird. I don't know how I feel about that. Is that normal? Alright, there you go. Look at that view. Look at this view. What the heck, man? Why does it look? Is it because the RPMs are still too high? Is that what it is? Hey, get off your phone! I love this girl. She's so... Oh, yep. Driving. Riding. Woo-hoo. Anyways, guys. So, first video in road mode. Every video from now on out will be in road mode. No more rain. Say bye-bye to rain mode. Open her up. Not on my first time experience road mode. Gotta know this power band before I do anything crazy. So stay tuned to the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.